Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is how to give first aid to an injured person. Each of us has a wonderful machine called our body. We should take care of our body because it is the body that makes us what we are. We must exercise and follow healthy eating habits to remain healthy and happy. We need to take care and keep our body safe from accidents, illness, and injuries. But sometimes accidents take place. Accidents mostly occur due to our carelessness. Accidents lead to pain, injury, and even death. Accident can occur at any time and at any place. They may occur on the road, in the playground, in the school, within the house. So be careful when you do any work. In this video, we will learn to give first aid to injured people. Cuts and wounds. In case of cuts and wounds, clean the wounded area with clean running water for about 5 minutes to remove dirt. Use sterile gauze or cotton. Apply an antiseptic lotion and clean the wound or cut to remove germs. As the blood flow stops, cover the hurt area with a bandage. If the bleeding does not stop, take the patient to the doctor. Bleeding. If a person is bleeding, first make him sit or lie down comfortably. Wash the bleeding part with clean water. Raise the level of the body part to stop the downward flow of blood. Put the pressure with your hand on the area that is bleeding. Apply antiseptic lotion on the wound and cover it with the bandage. In case of nose bleeding, make the patient sit straight on a chair, keeping his head held back. Keep an ice pack over the nose to stop the bleeding. You can also use wet handkerchief if ice pack is not available. Burns. Fire accidents may occur due to hot objects, boiling water, steam, firecrackers, chemicals, and electricity. Burns may be minor or serious burns. First, we will start with minor burns. Immediately apply ice cubes or cold water on the burnt area. It gives relief from burning sensation. Clean the wounds using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. We can also apply a paste of water and baking soda for the relief from pain. Do not apply oily ointment. Cover wounds using dry dressings. Now, serious burns. Cover the wounds with sterilized cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. Do not touch or burst the blisters on the skin. It may catch infection. Do not apply oily ointments. Do not try to remove the cloth if it is stuck to the burned skin. Rush to the doctor for the better treatment. Sunstroke. When we work in the sun continuously for a long time, the body loses a lot of water and minerals. That is reason for sunstroke. Take the patient to a cool place or in the shade. Sponge the whole body with cold water. Place the cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. Give plenty of water or liquids to drink. Get medical help or shift the patient to a hospital. Fracture. Fracture can only be detected through an X-ray. In case there is swelling and unbearable pain in the affected area, it may either be a fracture or breakage in the bone. The injured body part should not be moved as it may lead to further damage to the tissues. In case the hand is injured, support the hand using a splint. A splint can be made at home by using cardboard or thick newspaper and a piece of cloth. A sling can also be used to provide support to the hand. A piece of clean cloth can be used as a sling. Snake bite. Snake bites can be very dangerous and may even lead to death if the victim is not attended. There are nearly 2,000 species of snakes. Out of these, only a few like cobras, kraits, vipers, and sea snakes are poisonous. Clean the bitten area with the running water and keep the wounded area above the heat. Tie the area above the bite tightly with the cloth to prevent the spread of poison in the body. This is called tourniquet. Animal bite. Animals such as dogs and cats may bite and cause a deadly disease called rabies. There is a risk of infection through the blood. Hence, first aid and medical help are necessary. Wash the bitten area with the solution of potassium permanganate or other antiseptic. We can also clean the area using soap. Cover the wound with the clean and dry cloth. Get a doctor's help and an injection of the anti-rabies vaccine. Swallowing poison. In case of accidental consumption of poison, let the person vomit out the poison by drinking salt water till he vomits. Take the patient to the doctor immediately. Object in the eye. Eyes are one of the most sensitive part of our body. If something falls in the eyes, wash them immediately with clean water. If the problem of irritation persists, put some eye drops and take the patient to the doctor. If you like this video, please like and subscribe it.